Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this channel, I make Python tutorials. Today I'm going to make a speed, time, and distance generator. So to get speed, we have just for the logic of this program is to get speed. You have to do distance times time and divided by time. And then to get time, you have to do distance divided by speed. And if you want to get the distance, you have to do time times speed. So we're going to be making that in program form today. So let's first start by saying while is true. And this just means that this program will never end until you say count C, which is the program ending. So after we say that, we'll say print, and then parentheses, and then quotation marks. And we're gonna say type D for this to find distance. Oops. Find distance. And after that, we're gonna say, I'll just copy this right now. After that, we're gonna say type T to find time. And then I'm gonna say S to find speed. And then we're going to say A is our just choice input. Or we can just say choice here, equal to input, and then parentheses, and then just, and so the user here will see that it prints out this, and then it chooses which one it wants to get, which one they want to generate. So we're just gonna start with speed. So we first say if, and then if choice is equal, which means comparing, not setting, and then quotation marks, and then S. I'm gonna do the double quotes, double dots. And then we say distance, we set a variable named distance. Distance is equal to is equal to is equal to input. So the user can say something here, and then I'll just say some here. It says the distance is to find the time into speed. And then let's say we need the time to do this term. Time is equal to input, and then quotation marks, time, space. And after that, we need to find the speed, because that's the point of saying S. So we set a native variable named speed. And then we're gonna say int because we want the distance and the time to be an integer. We forgot to say equal. So int is equal to integer. That's what int means. I'm gonna say int is equal to distance. And after that, we're gonna divide distance by time. And the reason why we're saying int here is because when you get when you say input, it puts it in, when the answer that the user gives you puts it in a string, and that can't be in math form. You have to convert it into an integer first, then you have to then you can do your math with it or something. Right now we're just dividing. And then lastly, we're going to print the speed out. So print and then speed. Just a variable here with no quotation marks. Quotation marks means it's letters and stuff. Next, after that, I'm gonna say that again. And to save some time typing, I'm just gonna copy this one, and then just change the variables. There. Actually, there you go. And now let's just change this. So right now we're trying to find in this one t. So t for time. So now to find the time, we need to get the distance. This one's good. And then we also need to get the speed. So we ask for the speed. Then we're gonna say distance is fine there, divided by speed. So now this one's done. Well, we need to change that to time. And that's time too. There. Next, after that, we're going to do that, and then that. After that, we're gonna say find the distance. Lastly, we have to get the time and time. Oops, time and the speed. So then we're trying to find distance. And then we're doing distance. We're doing time times speed. So, and a good practice to do if you're doing a while loop, sometimes things get messed up and they add up things from the before of the while loop. So we just want to reset all our things here in the above it. So in the beginning, very beginning, we just want to say choice is equal. Well, we don't really need for choice, but we would just say distance. Distance is equal to 0. Time. Well, actually, we should say no. Well, no, it's just no. Sorry. And then speed. There. Oops. So now I can run this program. And let's see here, says distance times speed. So I'm gonna find speed. So the distance is, I'm gonna say I'm gonna travel 5 meters, 5 miles, it doesn't really matter. And the time I drove it in was 1 second. That's pretty fast. Yeah. So the speed is 5 miles per hour or something, whatever, because 5 divided by 1. And this does it for all of them. So that's all. Thank you for watching and have a great day. My GitHub is in the description, and make sure to like and subscribe.